What's up, guys, an Everyday Canadian, and today we are playing with some sodium. This is sodium metal. It's very reactive to water and it oxidizes in the air. So we're gonna play around with this stuff. Let's take a piece out and cut into it. Alright, so we have this little piece of sodium metal out right now. It's submerged in oil because, like I said, it reacts to air very well. It'll start corroding, it'll start oxidizing, and maybe if we're lucky, we'll see it oxidize right in front of us. And also, sodium metal is very soft. You can actually probably break it with your hands. It's metallic inside. And once this hits water, a strange reaction happens, which is really neat. Almost like sparks. Yeah, it's really cool. It's fascinating. So what we're going to do is add this to water and see what happens. Alright guys, so I'm just going to small tiny piece inside, just a little piece to get an idea. Woo! That was fun. Oh, still going. So that is what happens when a small piece of sodium hits water. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Maybe we'll throw a bigger piece. Let's throw a bigger piece. Alright, test 2, bigger piece. Well, that was nothing. Alright guys, one more time with the sodium, bigger piece, go. Oh, it stinks. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That is playing with sodium. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me for more videos. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.